Yaadman Etan brave. He ready. He done start. He ready. Them can't challenge he. Them can't challenge he. Mark he make all the girl them. Boom, boom, boom. Oh.
Oh, you mean you don't subscribe yet? Oh, you mean you don't turn on the notification bell? Oh, you mean you don't like, share and comment? Oh, you mean you don't tell your friend them about Yaadman Etan?
Oh, you mean people that don't know say about Yaadman Etan? Now we're there with Fed Fraternity. Yo, Fed Fraternity. On the blood.
Yo. Fed Fraternity in the building. Yeah, don't know what's going on.
Stop bringing water down something up here.
Yeah, nah, stop.
Yo, say bumbo. Yo, right now, we're there. Soca is live. You don't know say Sekon Sta is going to be performing live tonight. You see me? I say, yo, what we do tonight? What we do tonight?
Yeah, listen. Girl, I'm thinking. Take off. Yeah, take off. Yeah.
Eh?
Sky, we are brave. We not look back. Grab my luggage and my book bag. Negative me account when we look back. Touch the road, cause the money we are looked at. No for them jump ship and now the thing take off. Yeah, man. I'm mad sit, man. Tonight.
You ready, boss?
Something else? I can't nothing else.
You know what we do tonight? You know, say my thing is comedy, you know. You see me, I say? So I ask people them, you know, say it is. Oh yeah, you left your wife out of this. Left your wife out of this. It's a good thing we bring this up, you know why? Cause in the spirit.
I love you. You know, me I think different. I love you.
Hey, man, you see, in the spirit of Easter, may I ask the people them, are you going to give your significant other bun this Easter? You see me, I say?
Extra cheese.
Extra cheese.
Extra cheese.
See it there. Yo, people them want to see how much people that give them significant other bun tonight. You see me, I say? Yo, we're out and we're ready. Boom, bam. Everything right here, apparently, is a bag of daggering and going right there. You see me, I say? So you see these ladies, they might dash out already. You see me? So right there, so we have Mr. Cuba, and boy, may I tell you, them are focused on the one here. The dog here, them are focused on the one, may I tell you, the God truth. Yo, what's wavy? Yo, them done bust already. Yo, boom. So what's your name, my dear?
Shannon,
And Shannon, where you from?
Jamaica.
Where you from?
I'm from Brooklyn, New York.
I could nothing else.
Something else, I put nothing else. Yo.
Sorry for the chain, man. Something else all the way up.
Well, you know this is Sekon Sta coming all the way from Trinidad and Tobago. We Atlanta right now. Mad thing, yeah thing.
Yo, Sekon, this is your first time in Atlanta, if I'm right, right?
Yeah, this is my first time in Atlanta.
So how you like the vibe out here in Atlanta?
I like the ladies, so I love Atlanta.
Yeah, give your man bun for Easter.
No,
What you say? Your man not getting a bun for the Easter?
No.
What a luck. You say you have a man?
I didn't say that.
So you never said that. So you don't have a man?
Maybe.
Maybe. So all right, hold on. So I asked you if you're giving your man bun for the Easter, and you said no, but no, you tell me say you maybe have a man. So what going for the maybe man?
He gonna find out.
Him gonna find out. So it's all right. So all right, maybe man. Here we go. See, because Mrs. Shannon up in the lounge, I wind up herself and me say me blood. She just a bubble like soda right now. So here we go. Maybe man, you need to fix your role. Is me I say you need to sort out yourself because me I tell you, me pick her up and run away with her right now. All right. You have anything else to say, Shannon? Say your maybe man, I gonna get bun tonight.
He's good.
Him good.
He's good.
So am I get bun or no
He's
bun?
gonna be good.
Am I get bun with the cheese?
Regardless,
See
he's
then.
gonna be good.
All right, ladies and gents. So yo, something else. They don't know it's at Easter time.
Yeah.
And what we usually eat at Easter time in Jamaica?
What you consume?
Sorry. I want real Jamaican this, you know, they want to catch me.
But I know what you try.
All right, sorry.
Yeah.
So what do we consume in Jamaica during Easter time? Bun. So for the Easter, you give a girl bun?
Huh?
For the Easter, you give a girl bun?
Bun?
Yeah, you give a girl bun?
Yeah. She get bun and
Oh,
cheese.
you got bun her?
She get bun and what?
I'm going for the whole Easter.
I don't know where you go with it, man. I don't trust her right now, but yeah, she get the bun and cheese and sandwich.
Oh, people them this are something else.
I couldn't nothing else.
What the people them can find you?
For IG, you know, add something else. You see me? If I know something else, I know nothing else.
Right.
And she don't want no one else.
Yeah, I'll give you a man bun tonight.
Well, hopefully my dear boyfriend, you know, he link up with me. Hopefully. But I don't know. I don't know yet.
So you don't know if your man are gonna link up with you tonight? So if your man don't link up with you tonight, you give him bun. All right.
So you want me to come for you?
Yeah, sure. Yes. All right, see there? Link up, don't make already. It's Easter time right now. And I don't know if you know, but a popular snack that is, you know, that is consumed. Bun? Yes, bun. All right, see it there, people them. Sekon Sta no war going in Jamaica. All right, so Sekon, are you giving a girl bun for this Easter?
First, you need to have a girl to get she bun.
Woo! Right? You hear that, ladies? Sekon just there. I focus on him career. Him not a girl that stress him out. I say, nah, I'm mad over no girl. Not true.
Now you don't mad over girl, you mad?
Give me a lot that correct you. Feel it up.
All right. Yo, people, them Soca is life was where the party was at. Hi, excuse me. What's your name, my dear?
I'm Joy.
Joy, and where you from?
Virgin Islands.
Virgin Islands.
Yeah, Louis.
Louis, where you come from?
Trinidad and Tobago.
Trinidad and Tobago.
Lavantil.
You already know it's Mo Bundy, Mo3 Bundy23.com. You already know on Instagram, Mo Bundy.
Question. Ask Alex.
Unique sounds to the world.
Come on, unique sounds.
Ask me any incriminating.
No, man, don't worry. I got you. And where you come from?
Guyana.
Where you come from, boss?
Guyana.
All right.
No. Also, Southside Jamaica, Queens, 135 and Rockaway. You heard me?
All right, New York, the thing there. You see me, I say, are you giving your man bun for this Easter? Bumbo. Oh, nobody don't want to answer the question. Hold on.
Whatever bun she wants, she can get it. Simple and sweet.
I give my girl bun and dog. That's a Trini term. If you ain't no real Trini, you don't know what bun and dog mean. Hey, who's a real Trini? Who know what bun and dog
What
mean?
bun and dog mean?
Yeah.
Yo,
All right.
Trinidadians, what bun and dog mean?
All right. She had a bun and I had a dog. You see me? Like a hot dog.
Oh! What you say, one woman thing to your thing, dog?
Plenty woman.
Plenty woman. I need to know, are you giving your girlfriend bun this Easter?
Absolutely
not.
Absolutely not. Yo, that's confidential. You heard?
Confidential.
Yo, this man don't listen when I said don't give me incriminating question about you gonna ask me if I can give my girlfriend bun. What the fuck is this?
All right. Yo, whoever Alex's girlfriend be, you know, say safe this Easter, you know. You know, say it's Easter time, right?
Yeah.
So me need to know. Yeah, give your man bun for Easter. Yo, people, them Soca is life was where the party was at. Is it me? I mean, I tell you, I got shoot the DJs in them. The DJ in there, sorry about my English. I'm kind of tipsy right now. The DJ in there, right now, them have a little clash right now, and them not gonna stop till God knows when. People them, and I don't know, say Yaadman Etan, I will check it out. Big up on the damn self. I hope you enjoy this and subscribe and keep the vibe. And like this video, and share it with your friends, and comment and all them things there. Yo, Mo, you have nothing to say to the people them?
Listen, well, this is Yaadman Etan, right? And we just finished Soca is live. I'm telling you people, it was good. I'm f***ing hungry. This drunk nigga need to go home. So guess what? This was Soca in Life, and remember, what them do? Subscribe, like, and share. Yeah, we're ready, and we out. Travis, I'm ready to fucking go home.